Zachy. Let's try a bite of just applesauce. What do you think of that? What do you think? Is it good? That's yummy. That's so good. Just a couple more bites. Oh, what's that look? You like it or not? Here. Ooh. I don't know. He doesn't quite know what to think. You want a drink, buddy?
That boy is sleeping.
You want another bite? Okay, last bite. We'll save the rest of the applesauce for your cereal tomorrow. A lot different than cereal taste, isn't it?
What is that?
You want it? All done. All done. You did good. That's yummy. Say bye-bye. Oh, I swear he waved. Bye-bye.